Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll take you on a journey through Las Vegas like you've never seen before. I'll dive into unique experiences and new attractions that will make your Vegas trip extraordinary. So let's get started. Famous Food Street Eats is a buzzing new marketplace in Las Vegas, offering a hawker-style vibe with diverse food stalls. Located at Resorts World, this 24,000 square foot food hall brings together the flavors of Michelin star establishments at affordable prices. From Hong Kong dumplings and Singaporean clay pot rice to Thai beef noodles and Japanese-inspired dishes, this culinary paradise caters to all tastes. With stunning art installations and a lively atmosphere, Famous Food Street Eats is a must-visit for food enthusiasts seeking an unforgettable dining experience. Fremont Street is the city's birthplace, with iconic neon signs and marquees adorning some of Las Vegas' first casinos, like Binion's Horseshoe, the Golden Nugget, the Pioneer Club, and many more. It's also where you'll find the famous Vegas Vicky. This neon cowgirl has been a symbol of Vegas for decades, and capturing a selfie with her is a must for any visitor looking to embrace the city's rich history and vibrant spirits. Las Vegas hosted the NFL Draft recently, bringing an electrifying atmosphere to the city. If you're a sports fan, attending a major sporting event like this can take your Vegas experience to a whole new level of excitement. The draft itself had a lot of fun exhibits and interactive games. I probably should not be allowed to partake because clearly I am a hazard when it comes to aim.
Let's move quick. We don't have much time. The countdown starts now.
Stay there. Oh, there. No. Sophie, see.
We are open for the NFL Draft. The 5G business internet is ready to power our show. Thanks, team. You made getting ready for business easy.
On our walk home, we came across the Mirage volcano show. Of all the times I've been to Vegas, I somehow missed this gem. As we walked by, the show had not started yet and there were people gathered. I asked my husband, "What's everyone looking at?" He was like, "Nothing, they're just looking at the water." Not a minute passed and then the show started. I looked at him like, The Mirage Volcano Show is a mesmerizing display of fire, water, and music. As the volcano erupts, stunning pyrotechnics leaves you captivated. For those seeking adventure and natural beauty, I highly recommend a visit to the Valley of Fire State Park. Explore breathtaking hikes like the Fire Wave, White Dome, and Mouse Tank. I'm always stunned by the color of Rainbow Vista and unique formations of elephant rock and petrified logs. It's a desert oasis that will leave you speechless. Seven Magic Mountain is an outdoor art exhibit with towering, bright color-stacked boulders that create a whimsical landscape. Definitely an Instagram moment. Area 15 is an immersive entertainment complex that features the mind-bending art installation by Meow Wolf. It creates a fantastical universe where reality and dreams collide. It's an experience that will ignite your creativity. Fans of the popular show Pawn Stars will recognize this next attraction. We're taking you to the famous pawn shop that made the show a hit. Explore the unique items and maybe even catch a glimpse of the colorful characters that makes this place so intriguing. It's a one-of-a-kind experience for history and pop culture enthusiasts. No Vegas trip is complete without indulging in the ultimate feast, the Vegas buffets. Whether it's the opulent bacchanal or the exquisite buffet at Wynn, these culinary extravaganzas offer a wide array of delectable dishes that will satisfy any craving. Chinatown is a treasure trove of hidden culinary gems, from the authentic flavors of Cafe Sanuki to the mouth-watering dishes at umami restaurants and the delightful tofu creations at Mr. Tofu. You'll find a diverse range of culinary delights that will transport your taste buds to the streets of Asia. Ending this journey with a classic Vegas icon, the Bellagio Water Fountain. Witness the mesmerizing water dance as the fountains come alive in perfect sync with music and lights. It's a breathtaking spectacle that showcases the sheer grandeur and elegance of Las Vegas. And that's a wrap on the not-so-average Vegas trip. I hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of unique experiences and new attractions. Let me know in the comments below which one you're most excited to visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join me on more thrilling adventures. Until next time, happy travels!